Here's our room, guys, at Wake Up Copenhagen. We're in 1106. Tap your card, in you go. Now straight away, have this down for in-room and out for out-room. That's for all your electricity. There's a plug socket and some switches. There's Laura.
I'm just chilling with the air because it's hot in here.
Getting comfortable.
It's a very small area, so it's quite warm.
It's a very small room. We did upgrade our room as well. So we had the double window and a higher level.
I'm not too sure if it was worth it.
It was £11 to upgrade, well, which I mean isn't the end of the world.
No.
But it is what it is.
The nice windows mean it's more spacious.
For sure. But let's get on with the room tour. Here is a mirror. Bonjour. Wrong country, but we moved. We got our little, I suppose, wardrobe.
Yes.
Some few coat hangers.
Wardrobe.
Pardon?
Minimalistic.
Yes, I like it. Here's our shower. Which is actually,
Shower's nice.
yeah, quite futuristic in its look. Got a toilet, sink, big mirror, towels, hair dryer. Sorry?
I can see you.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be interesting. We got a bin, a little desk area. Now, this is what confused us when we walked in. The TV's here, the bed's there.
Maybe you have to do this.
Yeah, maybe, but it doesn't swivel off the wall, which I was expecting.
It's for ambiance.
So I guess you pull this chair out with that chair and you sit over there and crack on watching TV. But there is a random chair. And then under the bed, she said there's extra bedding,
Yes.
towels and stuff like that, which I'm not going to get out, but that is where everything is. Here's our view. It has started to rain, which kind of sucks, but the view is really nice. In the distance, I don't think you can see on camera, is the airport. Has started to rain, but yeah, very nice. That's this side. And then the other side, we have the train track, which is where we obviously come from. The Tivoli Hotel, which we actually looked at, didn't we? Which is the hotel to the theme park, which we're going to later. Yeah, the views are actually quite nice. It's nice and peaceful.
It is.
Have lights either side of the bed. I'm not sure about plug sockets. I think these are the only two here. There's none next to the bed, is there?
No.
But yeah, that's our little box room.
Hold on, bed test.
Bed test. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh, squishy.
Out of 10?
9.
9? That's high.
Yeah.
Interesting. I haven't been on there yet. But that is our room, guys. Perfect for one night stay in Copenhagen.
One night only.
If you like the room tour, guys, please drop a like. If you've got any questions about the hotel, location, etc., or anything to do with Copenhagen or what we're doing, then please drop a comment. But for now, we'll see you at our next hotel.
Bye.